Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your earbuds TCL using your phone. And we have two options how to charge it using phone. The first one is to use USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. And then at the bottom of the charging case we have also USB-C port, so connect the second one right at this port. The most important is this LED light on the front side, meaning that your headphones are charging. Second option, how to charge using the phone, is to use reverse wireless charging. But your phone should support this technology to use it. You need to open settings, then go to the battery, so we need to scroll down, click at the battery line, and right here we have battery share. Tap at this line. Firstly we need to enable this mode. So tap at the slider at the top, then turn over your phone and put your earbuds at the phone. And again we have the LED light, so it also works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!